When my daughter was born, I loved her right away, but I didn't love being a mother. Motherhood was so different from what I expected. My days were ruled by a screaming infant, and my nights were sleepless. I felt isolated and out of control. To regain control, I restricted my eating and exercised compulsively. I strove to be the perfect mother. I exclusively breastfed my baby and took her to classes like baby sign language. I thought being perfect would make me feel better. It didn't. As my mental health deteriorated, my marriage suffered too. I'd lash out at my husband, needing him to feel the depth of my despair, but he simply couldn't. At times, I dreamed of driving off into the sunset alone. What I didn't know was that anxiety and depression, which I'd battled for years, coupled with a lack of sleep, hormonal changes due to pregnancy, and a new life that was led by someone other than myself, were wreaking havoc on my mental health. It wasn't until I started seeing a therapist regularly that I saw how depressed I had become. Years later, when I became pregnant with my second child, I knew that weekly therapy, regular exercise, and a routine were all crucial to maintaining my mental well-being. Years later, I look at my perfectly imperfect family and think, I wish my postpartum experience had been blissful. It wasn't, but thanks to mental health professionals, medicine, a supportive family, and work-life balance, my life is close to blissful.
Today, fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking that button down there and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives.